ladies, we got some makeup and some skincare as well. A little bit of skincare, body care, I should say. So I went to Sephora and I just wanted to have a little good time, and I did just that. So I picked up a few things. A lot of the stuff I picked up and I didn't even share with you guys, but now I need to get it cracking because I want to use it. So let's open this little small bag first. This is what I bought when I went, as of recent. I went this past Saturday, and I went and I just wanted to to pick up the oil. That's what I wanted to go for. Then I was sitting around when I was in there, well, standing around, and I was like, Kelly, you gotta buy something else. You just can't come for this. Just can't come for this. So what I picked up first was the Youth to the People oil. I'm gonna go ahead and just open so you guys can see what I'm talking about. This is the full size. You guys know I have the small one. Now, I did do a review on the Youth to the People. The line is nice. It's just not for me and my particular skin type or what my likings are. The green tea cleanser, really nice. It definitely cleanses. It's just a little bit too much for me because I feel like it strips me. So I can't use it, but someone else can possibly use it. However, there's two products within the line that I do like. They have a caffeine serum that has vitamin C in it, and they have this little baby right here. This here is their Super Berry Hydrate Glow Dream Oil. Y'all, I rarely buy things like this twice because I'll have something from somewhere else and I'll like try it out. But this right here, this is that oil that some oils will sit on your face and it'll give you that greasy look, but this feels like it's like just getting in your skin. It's feeling supple to me. I like this. Okay, I like this. Next up, I had to purchase another one. I got the Claudie something. I can't pronounce it right, but I did get this. This is the Beauty Elixir, y'all. They have the bigger bottle. It's like $30 something, I think, or $40 something. I'm gonna wait until the sale that comes up in about a week or two, and I'm going to get the big one. This one's gonna be for my travel bag. This is the one that I have here. I'm like almost halfway gone. This I leave here to do my makeup because my makeup, it looks so nice. The makeup that I have on right now is a drugstore makeup, so I did not use that. I used my e.l.f. Okay, so it's about a choice of what you want because you can still achieve the same look with, more affordable products. But that was my first go. Love. Next up, you guys know I purchased this before. This is the one size. This is their On Till Dawn. Now, this is a mattifying waterproof. I did have it already. I'm repurchasing it. I do like it. It comes out as if it's nothing, but trust me, it's something. Now, I prefer, like I always say, I prefer a mattifying foundation, primer, and even sprays because I know through the course of like the day of me wearing my makeup, if it's during the day or if it's at night, my natural, oils, sweat is going to come through. So I like it. Next, I'm getting to some body care. Y'all, you guys already know that I purchased the Way body scrub, and I was kind of in a dilemma on which one to get because I knew I didn't really care for the regular one. It's more of a natural scent, very plain. Just, it's not even a clean scent. It's just like more of that unscented scent. Then they have a rose scent, which smells nice, but after a while, it was just a little bit too much for me. But baby, this right here, the St. Bart's, y'all, this is like tropical island. When I first smelled it, it reminded me of like St. Thomas, Bermuda, anything like just when you go there, it smells different. That's what this smells like. It's very, very tropical. Matter of fact, let's I haven't even opened them yet. I just made sure this is new. Yes. Oh, it's just seeping through. It smells really, really, really nice. It's kind of on the pricey side for the amount of quantity that you get. But it's really, really nice. Will I be repurchasing it again? Yes, this is something that I will always have to have in my shower. This is really, really nice. Now, can you get something that's from like Tree Hut, like scrub wise? I think it's called Tropic something. It doesn't smell like this, but it is definitely a nice scent. Really, really nice scent. Last but not least, I got the Fenty Heat. And this is the, oh God, y'all gotta look. Hot Chocolate Heat. Now, all the ladies was talking about it, saying how nice it was. You could just put it on. It didn't matter what, your complexion was, from fair to deep. It was something that was really, really nice, and we all can just enjoy. So I picked it up when it finally came available for me. And then I also purchased, and let me tell you why, I got a smallness to kind of try it out. I got the one size, I got my little duo here. This is their Ultimate Setting Powder. Now, I got it in translucent. I heard Aaliyah's face. If anybody watches her, she is a lovely, lovely, lovely woman. And she mentioned about how it was a toss-up between the Huda Beauty and this one. Like the Cherry Blossom Huda Beauty, that particular line, and then this one. She said she went with this one because it was more finer. I really enjoy a finer powder under the eye. So it was given like it was a little bit more finer than the Laura Mercier, and we all know Laura Mercier is very, very fine. So she said Huda Beauty was a little bit more on the thicker side, which we do. Huda Beauty is a little bit more of a heavier makeup line, but I do love that foundation. That foundation, I was rocking that one for a minute. I wasn't letting that go. Do I even? No, I did throw it out. I didn't want to keep the bottle for keepsake purposes, but that foundation is really, really nice. Now, something to lock in, Huda Beauty. So that is it, y'all. A little mini Sephora haul I want to share with you guys because, I have to share, but I want to promote because you guys know I'm no sponsors. This is just me sharing, none of that. Y'all, I am a Rouge member and I'm excited. So I will be shopping on the 14th. Now, 20% for Rouge members, VIB get 15, Insides get 10%, and you get 30% on a Sephora collection. I will be dipping and dabbling in the Sephora collection because they have some really, really good stuff. I'm going to probably try to get me some more lipsticks. I do love their lipsticks. And the skincare is really, really nice. But I do want to try a concealer for sure to match my... Do I have it over here? I don't think so. But my Best Skin Ever, they have a concealer. So I will be getting that when the sale comes up. So yeah, let me know what you're going to be getting because your girl is excited.